Children, last day I taught you history nationalism in India. In this chapter, I taught you Rowlatt Act and Khilafat issues. Now, non-corporation movement. Look at the page number 53. Non-corporation movement. This non-corporation program was launched in 1920. Leaders like C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das, had mental reservations, but Gandhiji called for sacrifice and renunciation, appealed to his emotion strongly. Thus, a non-corporation movement in support of Khalifat as well as for Swaraj was started. स्वराज माने अपना देश, अपना राज के बारे में आंदोलन चलाया गया था C.R. दास के तहत, स्वराज से। At the Calcutta session of Congress in September 1920, Gandhiji convinced other leaders of the need of starting a non-corporation movement in support of Caliphate. Had decided to start a satyagraha on the Khilafat issue. The non-corporation movement was the first based political movement under Gandhiji. Gandhiji, in his famous book Hind Swaraj 1909, gave arguments in favor of this movement. Mahatma Gandhi urged that British rule was established in India with the corporation of Indians and had survived so far only because of this corporation. As such, in case India's refuse to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within 1 year and be replaced by Swaraj. The Congress passed the resolution in its Calcutta session in September 1920. The strategy. In order to gain maximum success, Mahatma Gandhi proposed a stage-by-stage strategy implementation for movement as under surrendering. The movement had to begin with the surrender of titles, honors, and honorary posts by people. Boycott. Plan to shun or boycott civil service, army, police, British courts and legislative assemblies, school and colleges, and British goods. Domestic goods. To replace the British goods by domestic goods or Swadeshi. It would promote the native cottage industry. Launch of movement. In case of government suppression, civil disobedience movement will be launched. Nagpur Conference. The Nagpur Conference क्या है? After a lot of debates, the non-corporation movement was adopted by Congress during the Nagpur Conference in December 1920. Under Mahatma Gandhi's leadership, non-corporation Khilafat movement began in full force. Different starting within the movement. The non-corporation Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Various social groups participated in the movement, each of them with his own specific aspiration. All of them responded to the call of Swaraj, but the term non-corporation Khilafat movement means different things to different people. The movements in the towns The movement started the middle class participation in the cities. First, thousands of the students left government controlled school and colleges. The headmaster and teachers resigned and lawyers gave up their legal practice. The council elections were boycotted in the most provinces except Madras. In Madras, where the Justice Party, the party of the non-Brahmins, felt that entering the council was one way of gaining some power. It was something only accessible to Brahmins. Economic effect of non-corporation movement. The effects of non-corporation on economic front from dramatic. First, foreign goods were boycotted. Second, liquor shops were picketed. Third, foreign clothes were burned. As a result, the importance of foreign cloth declined to half between 1920 first and 22, and its value dropped from 102 crore to 57 crore. In many places, the merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods or finance foreign trade. The people began rejecting imported cloth and wearing only Indian owns. Thus, the production of Indian textile mills and handloom went up, slowing down of the movement. The movement in the city gradually slowed down for various reasons. First, khadi cloth was more expensive than the mill cloth. Hence, the poor people could not buy it. As a result, the boycott of foreign goods could not continue for long. Secondly, boycott for foreign institutions to pose a problem. No alternative institutions were set up to replace them, so the teachers and students finally had to resume their studies and job in government schools. The lawyers joined back in government courts. Rebellion in court side. From city, the non-corporation movement spread to the countryside. Peasants movement, Awadh, the peasant movement developed under the leadership of Baba Ramchandra, a sannyasi. Earlier he was an endangered laborer in Fiji. The demand of peasant movement were reduction of revenue, second, abolition of Degar, and third, social boycott of oppressive landlords. Second, Nai Dhobi bands. In many places, Nai Dhobi bands were organized by Panchayat to deny services to landlords of even barber and washermen. Nehru's step. In June 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru took step to going around the villages in Awadh, taking to the villagers and trying to understanding their problem. Ud Kisan Sabha. By October, the Ud Kisan Sabha was set up. It was headed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Baba Ramchandra, and a few others. Within a month, over 300 branches were set up in the villages around the region. As the movement separated, the house of Talukdar, Indian landlord, and merchants were attacked, the bazaar were looted, and the grain fodder were taken over. Now, Interpretation of Swaraj by tribal peasants. The tribal peasant interpreted the message of Mahatma Gandhi and the idea of Swaraj in their own way. They thought that Gandhi ji meant that no tax were to be paid and the land was to be redistributed among the poor. The district forest law had announced the hill people in the Guten Hills of Andhra Pradesh, a militant guerrilla movement separate under the leadership of Alluri Sitaram Raju. Raju was inspired by the non-corporation movement and talked of the greatness of Mahatma Gandhi. He persuaded the people to wear khadi and give up drinking. However, he believed that India could be liberated only by the use of force, not by non-violence. Gudem rebels, hence, they did as under, attacked the police station, attempted to kill British officials and carried on the guerrilla warfare for achieving Swaraj. Eventually, Raju was captured and executed in 1924 and gradually we became a folk hero. Now, Swaraj in the plantation. Now, next day, Swaraj in the plantation.